Today's spell work is a proportion question. It says a telephone booth that's 8 foot tall casts a shadow that's 4 feet long. So what we want to do is look at the two parts of the telephone booth. It is 8 feet tall, and then its shadow is 4 feet long. So I'm going to construct my proportion, and I'm going to put how tall the object is on top, and then I'm going to put its shadow on bottom. So that way, when I set up each one of my fractions for the two proportions, I know the shadow needs to go on bottom. 8 foot goes on top for the telephone booth, and then 4 feet goes on bottom for the shadow. So this is my, I'll just put telephone, and then the other item that we're looking at is the lawn ornament. Okay, the same thing needs to happen. I need to have how tall the lawn ornament is on top, and I need to have the shadow of the lawn ornament on bottom. So when we read the rest of this question, it says find the height. Find the height. That means we don't know it. Of the lawn ornament that casts a 2 foot shadow. And I've also color coded these things. So red was my shadow, and I've put both of those on the bottom, and blue is the tall, and I've put both of those on top. So another strategy is color coding to know that you have the things in the right place. But the labels are really what's important. Shadow, and those are both on bottom. Now, to solve the question, now that I have, this is my proportion that I need to solve. Okay, our first step is cross multiply. And then the second step would be divide. So the numbers that are diagonal are 8 and 2. Cross multiplying those two will give you 16. Then the number that hasn't been used yet is the 4. So I would now divide 16 divided by 4 is 4. And that tells me that my answer is 4. So the lawn ornament is 4 feet tall. Final answer.